Have you ever wanted to introduce yourself in Korean but didn't know where to start? What if I told you that after watching this video, you'll be able to confidently introduce yourself in Korean and it'll make new Korean friends? I've taught Korean to more than 200 students and today I'll share the exact phrases you need. By the end of this video, you'll feel comfortable starting conversations in Korean. Are you ready? Are you excited? Let's dive right in. So, in Korean, there are different ways to speak depending on how close you are to the other person. Casual, polite, and formal. Today we'll focus on the polite form. Why? Because in daily conversation, polite form is used more than 90% of the time. It's very easy to recognize. Polite sentences always end with you, like 사랑해요, 안녕하세요, like this. Got it? So, if a sentence ends with you can instantly think, they are speaking politely to me, like that. Now we are ready to learn 7 essential expressions you need to introduce yourself in Korean. First, hello, 안녕하세요, 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. In Korea, when you greet someone who isn't your close friends, it's common to bow slightly like this to show respect. The deeper you bow, the more polite and respectful you appear. In daily life, just a gentle nod like this is enough. So, say this, 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. And second, nice to meet you. 반가워요. 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 After you say hello, it's great to express that you're happy to meet the other person, right? Simply say 반가워요. And third, what's your name? 이름이 뭐예요? 이름이 뭐예요? 이름이 뭐예요? And if you want to tell them your name, you say 저는. Say your name and 이에요. In the case of J-Hope, 저는 J-Hope이에요. And my name is Yusuf, so 저는 Yusuf이에요. If she can speak, she's Maru. Her name is Maru, so Maru, please introduce yourself to them. 저는 마루예요. 마루. Great. And what is his name? His name is Jin. So if I ask him, what is your name? 이름이 뭐예요? Then he'll answer like this. 저는 진이에요. 저는 진이에요. Now, it's your turn. Let me ask what your name is. 이름이 뭐예요? I'm listening. Go ahead. Oh, that's pretty name. 알겠어요. I got it. 감사합니다. And next, people often ask about where you're from. You can ask, 어디에서 왔어요? 어디에서 왔어요? 어디에서 왔어요? Where are you from? 어디에서 왔어요? And respond by saying 저는, say your country, and 에서 왔어요. For example, I'm from Korea. Korea in Korean is 한국. 한국. So, I can say like this. 저는 한국에서 왔어요. 저는 한국에서 왔어요. I'll give you 4 countries as examples. First, the United States. In Korean, it is 미국. 미국. If you're from the United States, you can say 저는 미국에서 왔어요. 저는 미국에서 왔어요. Next, India. India is 인도 in Korean. So, 저는 인도에서 왔어요. 저는 인도에서 왔어요. If you're from Italy, 저는 이탈리아에서 왔어요. If you're from France, 저는 프랑스에서 왔어요. Usually, country names sound very similar in Korean. If you want to know exactly how your country's name sounds in Korean, just leave a comment. I'll help you. Next, talking about hobbies is a great way to make friends, right? So, what's your hobby? What do you do for fun? 취미가 뭐예요? 취미가 뭐예요? 취미가 뭐예요? You can say things like 여행. 여행 좋아해요. I like traveling. 여행 좋아해요. 넷플릭스. I watch Netflix. 넷플릭스 봐요. 넷플릭스 봐요. 드라마 봐요. 드라마 좋아해요. 드라마 사랑해요. And do you like cooking? Then say this. 요리 좋아해요. I like cooking. 요리 좋아해요. If you want to ask someone if they like cooking, just slightly raise your tone at the end of the sentence like this. 요리 좋아해요? Like this. 요리 좋아해요? When you raise your tone at the end, it becomes a question. 요리 좋아해요? And if you keep your tone flat, it's just normal sentence. 요리 좋아해요. I like cooking. So, let me ask you again. 요리 좋아해요? 요리 좋아해요? 저도 요리 좋아해요. Yeah, fist bump. Great. Next, let's learn 2 more sentences together. Stay with me. Always good to check how they are feeling, right? So, how are you? 잘 지내요? 잘 지내요? And as I told you, if you keep your tone flat like this, 잘 지내요. It means I'm doing well. All good. 잘 지내요. So, one more time. All good. 잘 지내요? All good. 네, 잘 지내요. I'm doing well. 잘 지내요. Great. Almost there. The last sentence. Say goodbye. 잘 가요. 잘 가요. 잘 가요. 잘 가요. It's a warm and friendly way to say goodbye in Korean. 잘 가요. Goodbye. Now, you're ready to introduce yourself in Korean. Let's take a look at how we can use this sentence in a conversation. Ta-da! His name is John. Let's listen to the conversation with me and John. Are you ready? 하나, 둘, 셋. 화이팅! 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 반가워요. 반가워요. 잘 지내요? 네, 잘 지내요. 잘 지내요? 잘 지내요. 이름이 뭐예요? 저는 유섭이에요. 유섭. 이름이 뭐예요? 저는 존이에요. 저는 미국에서 왔어요. 어디에서 왔어요? 저는 한국에서 왔어요. 취미가 뭐예요? 여행 좋아해요. 그리고 요리 좋아해요. 취미가 뭐예요? 요리 좋아해요? 네, 요리 좋아해요. 요리 사랑해요. 저도 요리 좋아해요. Great! How was it? Now you can introduce yourself in Korean. Are you excited? Yay! Great. And I've prepared this video just for you. This is the video about how to learn Korean by yourself. So if you want to learn Korean, then please watch this video. I'm here to support you on your Korean journey, so let's keep learning together. Remember, watching this video once won't magically make you fluent, right? Practice repeatedly by watching and speaking aloud. The more you practice, the easier it gets. 화이팅! 잘 가요. Goodbye. 마루, say 잘 가요. 잘 가요. 안녕. See you